Have you ever experienced the frustration of waiting and waiting for a website to load, only to give up and leave before it even opens? Well, you are not alone. In today's fast-paced digital world, every second counts, and a slow website can drive users away in the blink of an eye. Hi guys, welcome to the world of CDNs, where slow loading websites become things of the past. In this video, we are about to unveil the content delivery network that can turbocharge your website speed and keep your visitor hooked. We will learn what is CDN and how to set up a free CDN on your website. First, let's understand what is CDN. Suppose you own a website and you have bought your servers in New York. One of your users sitting in India wants to visit your website. It types your website URL and waits for your website to load. And now, once the user sends a request to that server, it has to travel across the entire globe and back just to load a single web page. And let's face it, that's not just frustrating, it's downright inefficient, as it will take a hell lot of time to load your website. But fear not, that's where Content Delivery Network or CDN comes to the rescue. Let me show you how CDN works. There are CDN companies that have global presence with servers strategically positioned across different parts of the world. When you partner with one of these companies, they become your website's best friend in terms of performance. Each CDN is closely connected with your website's main server. When a user, for example from India, requests an access to your website, the CDN nearest to them comes to the rescue. CDN don't make journey all the way to your main server in New York. For instance, every single time someone makes a request, instead they cache or store a copy of your website data on their server. It's like having a local branch of your website in various parts of the world. This is ingenious setup, means faster load times, reduced latency, and a smoother experience for users across the globe. Now that you know the incredible benefits of CDNs, you might be wondering, which CDN should I choose? Well, there are several reputed companies out there, each with its own pricing structure and features. Here are a few popular ones. Akamai. This is known for its top-tier performance. AWS Cloudfront, part of AWS ecosystem. And then comes Cloudflare, which offers a free plan with powerful features. For this video, we are going to choose a free option. That's where Cloudflare shines. We are going to evaluate the performance of our website and see if it suggests installing CDN. To do this, we'll be using a tool called GT Matrix. Here we are on GT Matrix and we have entered the URL of our website. See what it tells us. And there we go. Our website performance report is ready. Now let's scroll down. The top recommendation is to leverage a content delivery network. So if your website performance report also suggests leveraging a CDN, don't hesitate. It's a proven way to boost your website speed. Now let's move to the exciting part, configuring the CDN. As a first step to configure CDN, let's sign up on Cloudflare. We will type cloudflare.com. And then when the website loads, we'll click on sign up. The dashboard is loading for us. We will write down the email ID and choose a password and hit sign up. Now let's go to our Gmail inbox, and there we have got a mail to verify our email address. We'll click on the link. And now our email address is verified. We'll click on add our website. Write down the domain name. I'll write elevate my skill and click on continue. There are multiple plans that are there. We'll choose a free plan. Click on continue. Now we'll be changing the DNS record of your website. Think of DNS record like an address for your website on internet. Imagine you are moving to a new house and you want all your mails to go there. You tell the post office to redirect your mail to your new address, right? Well, changing DNS is like that only. Right now, they are pointing to your website's current location. To make your website faster with Cloudflare, you'll need to update these addresses. Instead of your old address, you'll give the post office, your DNS provider, your new address, which is Cloudflare. They'll then send all your internet traffic on Cloudflare. Now, it's responsibility of Cloudflare to cache all your website content and make website faster. As we have already given our domain name, the Cloudflare is scanning all the existing DNS record. As we scroll down, we can see all the DNS records that are available. For each, we can choose either DNS resolution or caching. For mails, I'll just choose DNS resolution. And for website, I'll choose caching also. Now we come to the third step to remove the existing name servers. Now let's go to our DNS server. For mine, it is Hostinger. I'll click on change name servers and change name servers. We'll copy the Cloudflare name servers and replace it over here. I'll copy the other one also and paste it here. And now we'll click on save. As you can see, DNS propagations take about 24 hours. We'll click on close and mark it done. Now we'll be configuring our Cloudflare to enhance our security as well. We'll click on get started. Now this is asking us whether we want all the requests to be HTTPS that has better security. We'll click on save. We want this thing. To optimize the performance, Cloudflare wants to add broadly compression. I just want it. I'll click on save. Don't do it if you have already added any kind of compression on your website. And click on finish. Now, after some time, you can see Cloudflare is protecting your website. Now, we'll be looking into some of the plugins for WordPress to manage Cloudflare cache. We'll go to our WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, add new. And now we'll search for Super Speed Cache. We'll be installing the Super Speed Cache for Cloudflare by Optimal. This is installed. Click on activate. Click on settings. Go to Super Speed Cache. Now we have to connect our Cloudflare account to Optimal Cache. We'll write the email address. Now to get the API keys, we'll go back to Cloudflare account. Click on the account. And here, get your API keys. We'll click on global key, type in the password, and click on view. Now this is very secret information. You should not share it with anyone. We'll paste that key here and click on update settings. Now we'll get the option to select domain. We'll choose our domain and click on update settings. It's loading all the information here and page cache is successfully applied now. We want to ensure that CDN always gives the latest and most updated version of a website. So we have to clear out old saved copies of web pages. Removing old website data on CDN is called purging cache. Now to purge cache, you have two options. Either go to Cloudflare website and on the quick links, click on purge cache. And the second option is with the WordPress plugins that we have installed. Click on CF cache and click on purge cache. Now, as we have already installed CDN on our website, let's check the website scores in GTmetrix. We'll write down our website URL, click on Analyze. It's analyzing your website. It's generating report. And as you can see, we have got GT matrix score of A, 100% performance. And if we scroll down, all our static contents are served from CDN. This is wonderful. So that's it from my side. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll reply to all of them. If you liked our content, please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.